While growing up, my mom always make tiger nuts and it comes out so creamy and tasty without added sugar, she said. Because she will always tell us that too much sugar is not really good for her, as at that even age, to us too much sugar is not good for kids. That was what she used to tell us, not knowing her secret. Guys, my mom's tiger nut juice was the best. In fact, till date, I still remember vividly how creamy and how tasty her tiger nut was always coming out. This is something that has been going on in society for a long time. Not knowing this, I was making my tiger nut with just tiger nuts, dates, ginger, and all that without this secret. Guys, the secret to this is sweet potato. Come on, it's not harmful to take sweet potato raw. Yeah, it's not harmful to take it raw at all. Do you know some guys, some people in the northern part do chew sweet potato raw without cooking? Like they take it like this. Some even eat without peeling the skin. Once it's neatly washed, they go ahead and eat it raw. So in today's video and in today's tiger nuts preparation, I'll be adding raw sweet potato. Guys, just make sure you properly washed, dice them in smaller bits that your blender can be able to blend smoothly without stress. Okay. Hello Chidinma, you are still owing me explanation to this video. Do you know I went to Chidinma's house? Instead of Chidinma to tell me the secret to her creamy tiger nuts, she kept telling me, don't worry, I will tell you one day. Don't worry, I'll tell you. Not until it clicked on my brain today. So why don't I try this, my mom's method? Do you know, as a growing up child, I will watch her do this thing, bro. I did not understand the fact that sweet potatoes are also healthy when eaten raw and even so creamy when added or when even blended as smoothie. So let me show you the food things I'll be using to make this creamy tiger nut. You've never had tiger nuts before. Once you add potato to your tiger nuts, trust me, you will never go back. You keep making this for everyone every other day. So to make this, I'll be adding cinnamon, coconut, of course our sweet potato, tiger nuts, beetroot to color it, ginger and cloves. Then I'll go ahead and start blending everything till it's smoothly blended, just as you can see in this video. In order for me to make it seamless and easy for my blender to do the work, I added little water and of course I blended this bit by bit. Please don't overstress your blenders, okay? Every African mother who has taught her daughter one thing or the other, kudos to you. You guys are the superhero. If I wasn't there watching my mom make this tiger nut juice, of course today I might not be able to make this to show you or also to make you try something new if you have not tried this thing before. Guys, this is so creamy. I mean, it came out very nice. After I blended this, I turned it into cloves and then proceeded to blending all other of it till everything is smoothly blended and perfect. Sometimes I would just wish I would go back to childhood where I would wake up in the morning, serve breakfast, they would bathe me, clothe me, and then take me to school. Just like that. Honestly, this adulthood, you have to think, you have to take care of yourself, you have to do everything all by yourself. If I didn't think about this, maybe I wouldn't be able to, of course, do this creamy and tasty tiger nut juice that everyone really love. Now look at me taking care of every other person around me, thinking of what they will eat, what they will drink, how they will go to school, and the rest of it. It's not easy. Adulthood, they said, is scam, but men, what can we say? At this point, I added my beetroot and blended tea. It was very smooth. Then proceeded to adding it into the cheese cloves where other blended tiger nuts were. Then I washed off my blender to an extent. Then blended this dates. Guys, pay attention. I blended these dates and set aside. I did not add it to the already blended tiger nut to sieve. No, that will help our tiger nut to be very creamy and tasty. Do you understand? If you add your dates to the ones you are going to squeeze out, of course not 100% of it will come out because of its thickness, but if you add it directly to your tiger nut juice, it will give it that creamy taste and make it come out so sweet, like you added extra sugar. Next thing I'll do is to squeeze out the juice as much as I can. So you try to squeeze out the juice. You can wear your hand gloves if you are wearing very long nails, and of course if not, you can please wash your hand properly. Just know that this food is not going to be cooked, and we are not using hot water for it, so whatever bacteria or germs that will be transferred from your nails to this will be consumed immediately. So please pay attention to your nails. Into the tiger nut juice, I added my cinnamon. Please be careful. If you're allergic to cinnamon, you can skip that part. Then I added condensed milk. You can use evaporated milk, but I choose condensed milk because it's very sweet. Here I went in with the dates already blended and kept aside. Remember, I did not squeeze out the dates, so I added it and mix till everything is thoroughly combined and very smooth. Guys, is it not bowl of sweetness? What will you do with this if I give you all of it? Is this something you think you can try? Thank you. If you're still watching up to this point, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, and also subscribe to my channel if you have not. That would be so appreciated. Next thing is to transfer my already squeezed juice into my containers and then refrigerate. Of course, you know it's better served chilled. As in, it's better served very chilled. Anyone who has a taste of it will definitely come for more. I'm so in love with beetroot. Not only that it gives blood or it nourishes the system, but the color it gives to anything that you add beetroot to is out of this world. Guys, our tiger nut juice is ready to be refrigerated and consumed. Get your cup, get your straw. One for you, one for me as usual. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. If you have not subscribed, please, I'm begging you at this point, support this channel of mine, and see you in my next one. I had a taste of it and it was really wow, and my kids love it, everyone around love it, so will they love it from your own end. Bye.